Growing up, we all ate grilled cheese sandwiches. Every household had their own way to make them. But today, I'll be showing you, hands down, the best way to make them, just like my mom does, with this one secret step. The first part of any good grilled cheese are the types of cheese you use. Start with slicing the marbled cheddar. Make sure that you don't cut it too thick, or it will take forever to melt. The second cheese will be jalapeno Havarti. This is going to add a little bit of kick to the sandwich. If you have a hard time slicing the cheese, you can always buy them pre-sliced. For the bread, I'll be using only the finest of light rye from Deli World. That cost a whopping $2.99 a loaf. Take 4 slices of light rye bread and spread a generous amount of light mayo on one side of each slice. This will give our sandwich a beautiful golden crust when grilled. Next, spread some butter on top of the mayo. Make sure to spread it into every corner for proper coverage. Now it's time to add our secret ingredient, Kraft powdered Parmesan cheese. Sprinkle it over the mayo until you have a light, even coating. This is going to take the grilled cheese to the next level. It's time to bring our grilled cheese to life. Start by heating a cast iron pan over medium-low heat and let it heat up for 1 minute. Place the bread mayo side down in the pan and start adding the cheese to each side. Allow it to cook for about 3 to 4 minutes or until the crust becomes golden brown and the cheese starts to melt. Now flip the melty cheese onto each other. And there it is, the best grilled cheese from my childhood that I still make to this day. Let me know in a comment below how you make your grilled cheese. Thank you for stopping by today. If you would like to help support the channel, hit that subscribe button or click here to watch another video. And as always, stay cheesy, my friend.